Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and welcome to my workshop, where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Today, I'm cleaning up the garden. So, I have to get my gardening tools all ready for the big day. This is my rake to gather up all the leaves. And this is a watering can to water all the plants. But I have to warm up my gardening muscles first. Can you help me, handy helpers? Awesome! First, let's move our arms like we're raking up all the leaves. Rake, rake, rake. Very good. Now, let's move our arms like we're watering the flowers. Water, water, water. Awesome. And last, let's do a big stretch like we're hugging a big wide tree. Stretch. Nice job. I'm all warmed up. Oh, hey, handy helpers. Can you keep an eye on the workshop while I'm in the garden? Great. I'll be right back.
Andy, are you here? Anyone here? Great. The workshop is empty. Hey, handy helpers. It's me, Lily. Can I tell you a secret? Shh. Promise not to tell? Okay, here's my secret. Today is Andy's birthday! And we're going to throw him a surprise birthday party. Now, when Andy gets back from the garden, we're all going to shout, "Surprise!" Can you practice with me? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Great job! Now, would you like to help me decorate for Andy's surprise party? Okay, let's see if Andy is still in the garden.
Sure glad I warmed up my gardening muscles at the workshop.
Great, Andy just got to the garden. Okay, I brought a whole bunch of balloons. What color is this balloon? That's right. This balloon is red. What color is this balloon? That's right! This balloon is blue! You know your colors so well. Well, I also brought party hats for us to wear. And this for when we shout surprise. Let's see how it works.
Huh? Did I just hear a horn blowing in the workshop? Nah, must have been my imagination. Well, back to raking.
Phew, that was close. Okay, we have one surprise left. Andy's birthday gift. I wrapped it up and put a bow on it. Do you want to know what it is? Can you guess? How about I give you a hint and you can guess what it is? Okay, here's the hint. It's Andy's favorite tool and it goes tap, tap, tap. Handy helpers, give us a thumbs up if you know what it is. We'll find out for sure when Andy opens it up. Okay, let's check and see how Andy's doing in the garden.
Okay, raking all done. Now time to water the garden, and then I'm all done.
Uh-oh, Andy's almost done. Quick, we better start getting these decorations up before he gets back. Let's go. And one last thing, Andy's birthday gift. Okay, now we're all ready. Can we practice saying surprise? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, surprise! Oh no, he's coming. Okay, everybody hide.
I'm back from the garden.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Andy!
Whoa, you remembered my birthday? Oh my gosh, look at the workshop. It's amazing. You decorated all this for my birthday?
Yep, the handy helpers and I did it to celebrate you. Here, put on this party hat.
Fits perfectly. Oh.
Oh, and we have one more surprise. Your birthday gift. I'll give you a hint. It's a tool that goes tap, tap, tap.
I think I have a good idea what this is. Wow! It's a brand new hammer! I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Let me test it out. Tap, tap, tap. Yep, works perfectly. Thank you so much. I love my birthday gift.
Of course, and we have one more surprise for you. Handy helpers, are you ready to help us sing happy birthday to Andy? All right, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Andy, happy birthday to you. Grab your hammer, grab your drill, measure straight if you will. Plan it out and draw it true, Andy will build it just for you. Paint and fix, twist and glue, Andy's tools know what to do. Building dreams big and small, happy birthday from us all. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Andy, happy birthday to you.
You are all such great singers. Thank you so much for celebrating with me today, Handy Helpers. This was the best birthday surprise party ever!
You're welcome, Andy. Hey, how about a big birthday high five?
And remember,
At Andy's Workshop, we fix it, build it, and learn it together.
See you next time.